Welcome to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyle. Please subscribe to the video and then subscribe to the channel and like the video. In fact, today I have this plant in front of me here. This is a castor plant. I have them in my garden here because I use them for medicine or spiritual purpose. In fact, this video is to teach you about how to do a spiritual cleansing and a spiritual bath with this castor leaf. In my language, it's called adedenkruma. Adedenkruma. Yes, this plant is very powerful that you can't overcome it if someone is using it to protect him or herself. In fact, it's very powerful. Yes, so let's share the video to our friends so that they will also benefit. Let's like the video. Let's subscribe to the channel for more teachings on the channel. How am I going to use this leaf? You are going to, you see, there are two kinds of this leaf. We have the one which is white, it doesn't have any color. Let me get one leaf for you, like this, you see. And we have this one. You see, their stalks are different and they are used for different purposes. In fact, they are used for different purposes. So you see the one with the red, let me get closer to the camera, or violet or what, and then you see different stalks altogether. They are being used for different purposes. They have physical use and they have spiritual use for different purposes. Yes, so I'm going to talk about their different purposes. These castor leaves are powerful physically, or they are healthy. They are used to cure a lot of sickness. They are also used to protect oneself from evil intentions, curses, demons, witches, and the others. In fact, this red plant, when it comes to spiritual affairs, it is the champion. And this one, when it comes to physical healing, it is also champion. So they have different agenda altogether. They have different agenda altogether. It is believed this one is the male, this one is the female. But spiritual, that's why we think they are. But when you come to science, this one is different from this. This species is different from this. But when we are talking about spiritual things, we consider the red one as the male and we consider the whitish as the female. The reason why we use the red one for spiritual things is men are prone to go for war. They are they are constructed, or they are being oriented for war. But ladies are oriented to take care of the family. That is why this, when it comes to physical thing, healing of maybe physical illness, it is very powerful there. Yes. But when it comes to spiritual, let's attack, protect. Men are mostly security men, and then they are soldiers that are mostly men that go for war. Yes. So think about it. So when it comes to attack, remember this. When it comes to physical illness, remember this. So I'm going to talk about both. Let me put this one there. This one, we are going to use this to protect oneself. The whole family can use to protect the whole family. Only you, like anyone who believes in herbs, you can use it to protect oneself. You are going to get the leaf. You are going to get 7 leaves of this one. Once you get 7 leaves, you are going to add them to your bathroom water. At this point, in the first video, I've done a video about it that I told you to mash the 6 in and then stand on one. At this point, I'm going to teach you different angle. That's why that makes this video different from the other one. For this we are going to get 7 leaves. Once we get the 7 leaves, this is what we are going to do. First, we are going to add just a leaf. Listen, just a leaf into your water and mash it. Just a leaf, 1 leaf, and mash it in your water. Then there's 6 leaves left. We are not going to mash them in the water, but we are going to make them scramble. We are going to fold them. We are going to fold them to form a sponge. You remember that I told you that you mash the 6 in the old video. That one is another angle, but for this one, you are going to mash only 1, and then you are going to fold the rest as a sponge. This is what we are going to do. We are going to use this one to rub your body from any negative energy. The 6 left, they are going to attack. You see, when they finish attack, we are going to pour the one to remove the debris from your body. So you are going to mash, you are going to fold this, and then you are going to rub it over your body from head to toe. When you are done, you're going to pour the water to wash it down. When you are done, the leftover in the bathroom, don't touch it with your hand. Get a broom, sweep it, and then get something or what you use to collect your refuse, and then collect them on it. Put it in the refuse dump or your dustbin. That is all. Don't touch it with your hand. Once again, this leaf, I'm going to talk about this physical benefits. People who are struggling to give birth, I'm going to talk about this one fully in another video. That is, they cannot give birth, and it is purposely spiritual. We are going to use this to break the barrier. But when it is not spiritual, but it is from physical health, we are going to use this one. That is where I continue from this. We are going to use this one. You are going to get this leaf, mash it. In my community, we have the animal strength. This is on the screen. This is the item I'm talking about. The old ladies will just grind this on the rock, and then once they grind, you use it, and then you are going to mix it with water. You filter it. You are going to use that animal strength. You are going to just suck it into the strength. You enter the toilets, and then you are going to apply it in your anus, and then pump it into there. I hope you get the scenario I'm giving. And then you are going to do that for, in my community, that's what they used to treat. Yes, so in other countries it's different. They don't use this, what I'm talking about. But if you're in Ghana, if you're in Africa, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, so we are going to apply it, and then we are going to do it continuously. 7 days every month, 7 days every month for 3 to 4 months. Just be doing it. Every 1 month, you're going to apply it 7 times. 7 times. To make it effective, you can combine both. I'm telling you the fact. You get maybe 2 leaves of this, you combine, and then you are going to apply. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I have more to give you. I'll speak about these things. Those who can't get child and all those kind of things, I'll speak about it when I get into other video where I'm going to add another thing to it. That's why I don't want to speak into it, because we need other ingredients to also facilitate this. So I'm going to do another video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then when I release the new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your subscription. Like you, I love you. See you in the next video.
Bible quote to support Plant Lifestyles channel. Ezekiel chapter 47 verse 12. ESV. And on the banks, on both sides of the river, there will grow all kinds of trees for food. Their leaves will not wither, nor their fruit fails, but they will bear fresh fruit every month, because the water for them flows from the sanctuary. Their fruit will be for food, and their leaves for healing. Revelation chapter 22 verses 1 to 2. ESV. Then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, bright as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb through the middle of the street of the city. Also, on either side of the river, the tree of life with its 12 kinds of fruit, yielding its fruit each month. The leaves of the tree were for the healing of the nations.